Stuart had some money in his bank account. His friend Daniel has 5 times as much money in his bank account compared to Stuart. If Stuart has $S in his bank account initially, how much money does Daniel have initially using an expression in terms of S? To find how much Daniel has in his bank account initially in terms of S, you have to read through the text again. In this text, it says that Daniel has 5 times as much money in his bank account compared to Stuart. So you would write 5 and then an S, which means that Daniel has 5 times as much as S in his bank account. For B, you need to write an expression to show how much money Stuart and Daniel had initially together in terms of S. To write an expression to show how much money that Stuart and Daniel had initially together in terms of S, you would first write S equals S dollars and D equals $5S. To show this, you add S and D. This would be $S plus $5S. For C, they both spend $30 on a present for a friend. Write an expression in terms of S to show how much money they each have now. First, you would show how much money Stuart has. Stuart has $S minus $30. Then you would show how much money Stuart has. Stuart has $5 and S minus $30. For D, Stuart mows a neighbour's lawn and is paid exactly the same amount of money that he has in his bank account. Write an expression in terms of S to show how much money Stuart has in his bank account after Stuart has mown his neighbour's lawn. To show this, you would write Stuart equals S dollars minus $30 plus S dollars minus $30. You would then simplify this to be $2S minus $60.